Welcome to Mastering Creative Problem Solving with AI, presented by Courte University. I'm Professor Janet. In this course, we'll explore practical ways to use AI to solve complex problems creatively and efficiently. You'll learn how to apply AI across different stages of the problem-solving process, from generating ideas to refining strategies and making informed decisions. This isn't about simply learning tools. It's about understanding how AI fits into real-world workflows, whether you're planning a campaign, designing a product, or improving business outcomes. By the end of the course, you'll be equipped to work with AI systems that support innovation, enhance teamwork, and drive smarter decisions across various fields. Let's take a look at what you'll be learning in this course. We begin with ideation and innovation, where you'll learn how to collaborate with AI to generate fresh ideas and reimagine possibilities. Then, we move into crafting high-impact content, showing you how AI can turn raw ideas into compelling stories, visuals, and messages. From there, we explore enhancing communication and persuasion, equipping you with tools to write and present with greater clarity and influence using AI. You'll then dive into AI-driven decision-making, where you'll discover how to analyze data and trends with the support of AI models. We'll also cover collaborative problem-solving, emphasizing how AI can enhance team creativity and streamline group ideation. Finally, we'll address ethical considerations, ensuring you understand the responsible use of AI in problem-solving contexts. Artificial intelligence plays a central role in solving complex problems across industries. In healthcare, it helps identify treatment paths by analyzing clinical data. In finance, it supports risk forecasting. In logistics, it improves planning by detecting inefficiencies that might not be visible through manual analysis. AI systems process large datasets quickly and accurately. They identify patterns, highlight anomalies, and offer options for improvement, reducing time spent on trial and error. Creativity remains essential in this process. Solving new problems requires original thinking, asking different questions, testing unconventional ideas, and seeing value in unexpected places. AI tools support this by generating options, testing variations, and suggesting angles we might overlook. In this session, we'll study real examples from different fields where professionals are applying AI to enhance their creative and strategic capabilities. The focus is not just on using AI, but on using it well, to improve both the process and the outcomes. When beginning the ideation phase of a project, one of the biggest challenges is coming up with fresh and relevant ideas. AI tools can help by scanning vast amounts of information across industries, trends, and prior innovations to suggest a broad range of directions to explore. These tools are trained to recognize patterns, connect topics, and even generate prompts or sketches that would typically require extensive human brainstorming time. For example, tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, or Notion AI can suggest product ideas, campaign strategies, or visual concepts based on just a few keywords or goals. This allows teams to move past creative blocks quickly and explore options they might not have considered. But idea generation is just the starting point. AI can also help structure and refine those ideas. Using feedback algorithms, it can evaluate suggestions for feasibility, align them with your project goals, and even suggest improvements. This creates a feedback loop where initial ideas become more refined and applicable through iterative input. In practice, we see this working in industries like advertising, where AI platforms assist in crafting storyboards, slogans, or customer journeys. In product development, companies use AI to predict customer needs and tailor solutions that stand out. One case study involves a global design agency using an AI assistant to co-create marketing assets, reducing turnaround times by 40% while increasing campaign engagement rates. So, in this section, our focus is to not only understand the tools available, but also to learn how to integrate them into a structured creative process that balances speed with originality. Here, we focus on how to use AI tools to produce content that delivers clear value to the audience. Start by using natural language processing tools to generate content that fits different platforms, for example, a professional tone for LinkedIn, a conversational one for Instagram, or a concise structure for email newsletters. These tools can adjust vocabulary, sentence length, and style depending on the platform or audience. To improve quality, use AI to analyze your existing content and suggest improvements. For instance, it can recommend headline structures that attract more clicks or content formats that increase engagement. AI also helps with identifying effective messaging strategies. Begin by analyzing audience engagement data, such as comments, shares, or click-through rates, to understand what topics and formats perform best. Once you have those insights, generate content that aligns with what people care about. If customer feedback reveals common pain points, create stories or case studies that directly respond to those issues. Tools like AI summarizers can help turn long-form input, like surveys or interviews, into focused and engaging narratives. Finally, don't rely on a single draft. Use AI to create multiple variations of the same message and test which one performs best. This process helps you consistently produce high-impact communication that is both targeted and efficient. Let's look at how artificial intelligence supports more effective communication and improves persuasive messaging. Start by understanding how AI systems contribute to communication strategies. For example, chatbots can be trained to respond in ways that match a user's tone or intent, allowing for more natural and responsive interactions. Recommendation engines use behavioral data to suggest content or products that align closely with user interests, which helps maintain engagement. AI also plays a central role in persuasion. It analyzes user behavior, such as click patterns, time spent on content, and previous interactions, to help structure messages that are more likely to result in a specific action. For instance, if the goal is to increase sign-ups, AI tools can suggest when to place calls to action and what wording is statistically most effective for the audience. Measuring engagement is another key advantage. AI tools track metrics like response time, bounce rates, and sentiment in real time. This allows you to adjust your communication style while the campaign is still active rather than after it ends. You're able to make fast, evidence-based decisions to improve reach and effectiveness. Use these tools not to replace your voice, but to refine and focus your message based on how people are actually responding. The goal is always to communicate clearly, intentionally, and with an understanding of what your audience values. Artificial intelligence is transforming how businesses make decisions by providing tools for deeper data analysis, more precise forecasting, and smarter strategic planning. When we talk about data analysis, AI doesn't just process large volumes of information, it uncovers trends, patterns, and correlations that might go unnoticed by humans. By analyzing data in real time, AI helps businesses gain actionable insights that directly impact decision-making. For instance, a retail company might use AI to predict which products are likely to sell out based on purchasing patterns, allowing them to restock or adjust promotions before the demand peaks. Next, let's look at strategic planning. AI improves the accuracy of forecasts by processing historical data and recognizing emerging trends. It also supports scenario analysis, testing different variables to predict possible outcomes. Imagine a global company trying to allocate resources across various markets. AI can simulate various market conditions, helping decision-makers understand the best course of action in volatile environments. Finally, AI is being successfully integrated into real-world strategic decision-making processes. Take logistics, for example. AI is used to optimize routes and supply chain decisions, significantly reducing costs and improving delivery speeds. Other industries, from healthcare to finance, are leveraging AI to refine everything from customer service strategies to risk management practices. By integrating AI into these decision-making processes, organizations not only react faster, but can also make more informed, data-driven choices that propel long-term success. AI plays a key role in enhancing team dynamics and improving problem-solving efficiency. In a collaborative setting, AI supports teams by providing data-driven insights and predictive analytics, helping to inform decisions and identify potential solutions. It also helps generate creative ideas by analyzing data and suggesting possibilities based on patterns it recognizes. This allows the team to explore new angles and approaches they might not have initially considered. AI tools are essential for improving collaboration. They allow teams to track their progress, share insights, and communicate seamlessly across different departments or locations. With AI, collaboration becomes more organized, as teams can aggregate data, communicate in real time, and ensure everyone is working towards the same goals. Specific AI-powered tools are designed to make collaborative problem-solving more efficient. These tools can help teams brainstorm, analyze data, and develop solutions more effectively by integrating different perspectives and information sources. By using AI, teams can streamline their workflows, reduce time spent on repetitive tasks, and focus on developing solutions to complex problems. AI is a powerful tool, but with great power comes great responsibility. One of the most important aspects of working with AI is understanding the potential biases inherent in its algorithms. These biases can skew results and lead to unfair or unequal outcomes. It's essential to address these biases to ensure AI-driven decisions are equitable, fair, and reflect the diversity of the people they impact. By being aware of and correcting biases, we can ensure AI contributes to a more just society. Ethical frameworks play a vital role in guiding organizations in their AI efforts. These frameworks provide a set of principles that help organizations minimize risks and ensure they are acting responsibly. By implementing ethical guidelines, organizations can make sure their AI systems are developed and deployed in ways that respect human rights and uphold fairness. Lastly, advocating for responsible AI usage is crucial. This means prioritizing transparency, ensuring accountability, and protecting user privacy. Trust is essential for the legitimate adoption of AI technologies, and responsible usage fosters that trust. When AI is used transparently and ethically, it becomes a tool that people can rely on without fear of harm. To conclude, this presentation has highlighted the powerful intersection of AI and creative problem-solving. We've seen how AI is not just a tool for automation, but a catalyst for innovation, driving significant improvements in problem-solving strategies. The integration of AI into creative processes offers clear strategic advantages, enabling organizations to approach challenges with fresh perspectives and data-driven insights. Looking ahead, we must consider the future trends in AI and creativity. As technology continues to evolve, staying ahead of these trends is essential for organizations that want to remain competitive. By anticipating how AI will shape future problem-solving methods, businesses can harness emerging tools and techniques to stay innovative and agile in a rapidly changing world. Finally, embracing AI is no longer optional for forward-thinking organizations. Proactively engaging with AI allows businesses to tap into its full potential, fostering creativity and providing the strategic insights necessary to tackle complex challenges. AI has proven itself as an indispensable part of the problem-solving process, and its role will only continue to grow in the years ahead.